secured. You can proceed. Roger that. See you on the loop. Secure the hook. We're lifting on my mark.
Hook is set. Watch the swing radius.
Okay, this is logged as item WTC 4B22. Ensure the seal is tight.
Got it. WTC 4B22. Where to next?
Check the pressure on line 3. It's running high.
Copy that. Monitoring flow rate now.
We need the elevation at the southeast corner.
Locking onto the prism now. Stand by for the reading.
The primary support column centers right here on this reference point.
Confirmed. The offset is exactly 2 meters from the slurry wall. Note the elevation change.
All right, hold it steady. Take it to the right. Easy now. Easy now, bring it down slow. Hold it right there. Yeah. All right, we're clear on this side.
The structural integrity rely on this central core.
Exactly. We must ensure the stabilization meets the revised specifications before the concrete pour.
And the timeline for that.
We have the alignment on the southeast corner.
Okay, pull the tape to the first mark.
Reading 402.5 here.
Holding at 25 feet exactly.
All right, mark it right there. The angle looks good from here. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the east side. Copy that. Easy now.
Surveyors are working closely with the MTA to ensure the stability of the subway tunnel running directly beneath us. The planning phase is critical. This looks like the main schist layer, decomposed down to 20 feet.
We need to adjust the foundation supports here before the next phase.
Agreed. The structural load required reinforcement at this exact point.
Check the coordinates for the northeast section here.
They align with the updated schematics. We are good to proceed.
We're hitting the slurry wall on the southeast corner.
All right, pull back 5 degrees north.
Easy now, slight turn to the left. All right, hold it right there. Stop, stop, stop. Keep it steady, watch the alignment. Easy now, easy. Stop right there. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch your hands there, buddy. Lower slowly, watch the east side. Bring it west, easy now. We're aligned, set it down. Bring it down slow, watch your side, Danny. Clear on the east side, thumbs up. Keep the float coming. We need this section done before the next truck arrives.
Copy that. Watching the levels now.
We have alignment. Depth reads 42 feet 3 inches.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
All right, adjusting the rod.
Keep drilling on footprint 2. Watch your head, kid. Cage coming through.
We need to get the cages set here by Tuesday. The concrete pour is scheduled for Friday.
All right, I'll have the crew on it first thing tomorrow. Okay, bring it left, easy. Watch the forms.
Coming left. Steady now. And hold it right there. Keep it coming slow, driver. Watch your clearance on the left.
Yeah, we're almost set here. Tell them to hold the crane for 5 more.
Hold it right there. We need to swing it slightly west. Okay, easy, easy. Lower it down now.
All right, bring it down slow. We're clear on this side.
Copy that. Watching the bolts now. Easy, easy. Set. Check the specs on column 72. Looks solid, but let's double check the bracing. Ease, ease. Bring it down slow. All right, she's set. Bring it back, bring it back. Watch the edge, boys. Keep it moving. A little to the right.
Easy now. Setting her down.
A little to the right.
Easy now. Setting her down.
Hold it steady there. We're clear on this side. Okay, locking it in now.
Watch the beam coming through. All right, bring it down slow. Hold it right there.
Clear on this side. Bring the wrench over here. Hold it steady up there. Easy now, bring it down slow.
Looks like the main conduit is live. Green across the board.
Confirmed on the tablet, structural systems are fully online.
Watch the marble on the left.
It's clear. Setting the last bolt now.
Okay, pull the tape. Looks like we're dead on center. All right, secure that clamp right there. Check the level now, looks good. Bring your side down just a 1/4 inch.
That's perfectly plumb. Looks good.
Okay, cycle it. Doors are running smooth, and the indicators check out. Looks good. Roger. Locking it down.
The sequence completed successfully. Check the final readings. 500 lux across the board. We are within tolerance.